If you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus and have to failed to record audio, in such cases, untapable recording button. On the other hand, untapped speaker option on a call and can't hear sound on call, then you are in the right place. All the problem have the same solution that I mentioned on the video. Keep watching carefully. This is not a software glitch or can't be fixed by restoring or any update. Untappable recording button. Untapped speaker option on a call. Power off your iPhone. Disconnect the battery first. Let's disassemble LCD carefully. Disconnect all flags carefully. Let's observe the PCB status. Looks fresh and no prior repair sign. This is an audio IC. Most of the cases have issues with this. Let's remove the audio IC. Most important, you have to understand first, if you overheat in the process, then it must be network-related issues. If you are a technician, then set the temperature and heat I mentioned on the video. See carefully. Clean all pad carefully. Pad must be flat and shiny. All pin looks normal, but pin number 3 is broken. That is the main issue. Let's make the track fast. Put some UV. Clean it fast, maybe IC damaged due to overheating. In most of those cases, no need to change audio IC, only rival audio IC and you can use it. Rival audio IC. Use 183 degrees centigrade solder paste. If you have any query, then comment below on the video. We will answer you as much as fast possible. Put some flux. Put IC in the correct position. Cool down PCB for 5 minutes. Let's check whether the problem is fixed or not. You can see the loudspeaker option is now tappable and the voice recording function is also working fine. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. We will respond as fast as possible.